Good evening everyone. Today we will be discussing about boosting ensemble technique. Now, in the earlier video we have seen that what is our bagging method. Like I have told you how the random data is selected from the original data and how our model increases the accuracy and how we what we do in classification and what we do in regression for checking the output. Now, as we have seen here, we have our original data, and what happens is that on the basis of this original data, what happens in boosting is there is a continuous series of model training. What happens, suppose I have my original data, that is n. Initially, each and every row of my data, each and every point of my data is given equal weight because I am at the starting point and I want my model to focus on all the data points so that it can make correct prediction for all the data points. So this is suppose my first model, that is model 1. Okay. So it was given some random data on what it was trained. Now it will do the prediction. Suppose my model is now doing the prediction, and when my model do prediction, it do prediction of some of the weights less, some of the samples, like some of the sample like s1 and s5 it predicted wrong. Okay, so what will happen is that when we move ahead for our second model, that is our second weak learner, we will increase the weight of the points which our previous model predicted wrong, and we will decrease the weight of the points which our previous model predicted right, so that the more importance is given now towards towards the point which was predicted wrong by my previous model, so it can be predicted correct. So this same analogy goes and goes, and at last what happens is that we are able to predict most of the points correctly. So this is the whole concept of the boosting ensemble technique, where we train our model in series. A weak or lot of weak learners are combined in series, and updation of the weight is done on the basis of the prediction of the point. More importance is given to the points which were predicted wrong by my previous model, so we can get a generalized and accurate model. Thank you. Just see this.